Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to enable or disable full screen and split screen view on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, knowing how to enable or disable full screen and split screen view can be useful for optimizing your multitasking experience on your device. Enabling full screen and split screen view allows you to maximize the space available for each app, providing a clearer and more immersive experience. On the other hand, disabling full screen can be beneficial if you prefer to have more control over the size and arrangement of the app in split screen mode. This flexibility allows you to customize your multitasking setup according to your preferences and needs. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, enter to the settings menu on your device. Next, scroll down and select Advanced Features. Okay, after that, select Multi-Window option. And on this page, turn this feature on, Full Screen in Split Screen View. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to enable or disable Full Screen in Split Screen View on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.